In this video, I want to show you how to use Reshape Feature Tool in ArcGIS. The Reshape Feature Tool is a tool we usually use to correct error during digitization. You can use it to reshape a line or polygon by constructing a sketch over a selected feature. The feature takes the shape of the sketch from the first place the sketch intersects the feature to the last. This is the application. For example, if you look, let me zoom into this place. The line selected, which is in light blue, supposed to follow this deep blue. However, there was an error during digitization, and instead of deleting it and starting all over again, you can actually use Reshape tool to correct this error such that it will take the correct shape that it's supposed to take. So to use this tool is quite simple. Come here, you will see once you enable digitizing tool in ArcGIS, you will see this icon here, which is called Reshape Feature Tool. So when you click on it, make sure the polygon or the line you want to correct is selected. Once it is selected, for instance, this very line suppose follow from here to this angle and back to here. So now to correct it, just pick this Reshape Feature Tool. Then come to the starting point where you want to make the correction. Click on it. Then go to this edge, click, and come to this last edge and double click. Once you can see that it has corrected it. You can see it has corrected it. So in digitization, there could be error in geometry. So this tool will help you to correct it. For example, this line supposed to follow this deep blue, but it didn't. So to correct it, I can zoom in to see it properly. Then I'll click at the starting point where I want to make the correction, like this. Then I will move along the line I want it to follow, just like this, and click, 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 and get to the last point. Once you get to the last point where you want to stop the correction, just double click. You can see that it has corrected it. It has shifted it to where it's supposed to be. So after digitization, this is the tool you can use to correct all errors, overshooting, undershooting, and all form of digitization error. So for example, here I can click here, follow the line I want it to follow, and come to the last point and double click. So it will automatically shift and reshape the polygon. So this is how to use the Reshape tools or Reshape Feature tools in ArcGIS. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.